The Cut by Line tool in Ibex provides a way to interactively cut contours into pieces. I can activate the Cut by Line tool from the ribbon, and then I click on the workspace. I start creating a line indicated by the orange preview, and as that passes over a contour, if I left click again, that contour will be split along that line. So I can do again down here. And I'll right click to exit cut by line so that I can show that these are closed contours. So it's splitting this larger square into multiple closed contours. Now, if I reactivate the cut by line tool, and this time only cut partway through this lower contour I created, not cutting all the way across it, now it appears that nothing has happened, but if I select it, you can see that this has become an open contour. So if I right click and activate the node edit tool, here's the open section that I created. I can split those apart and show that that cut by line split the contour, and it's now an open contour at that point, which can be useful for editing and manipulating contours. Now, I'll reactivate cut by line, and cut by line can also cut multiple contours. So in this case, I have a square bounding box around a star, and if I cut across both of those, the star is creating a hole in this grouping of contours. And when I cut across it, the hole is respected. And so now this contour, it becomes one contour each half of the original pair that I cut across. That's it for the Cut by Line tool in Ibex.